Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by opening the Google Doc you want to convert. Make sure you're in the right Google account so sharing and storage behave predictably. Once done, scan for final edits. Margins, page breaks, image placement, and header/footer consistency, because PDF preserves layout exactly. Decide whether you need a smaller file or high-resolution images. This determines export choices and any image compression you should do before exporting. Now move to the File menu to begin exporting. From the File menu, choose Download and then PDF document. PDF for the simplest route. This keeps layout and fonts intact. If file size matters, compress images first or replace very large graphics because Google's default export embeds originals. Alternatively, use Print and select Save as PDF. That path lets you pick page ranges, scaling, and paper size, useful for handouts or booklets. Make sure fonts display correctly by embedding or using standard web fonts. Then save to your chosen folder. After saving, open the PDF to verify layout, clickable links, and image quality so you catch issues before sharing. If fonts or spacing changed, try export via Print Save as PDF or use a local PDF printer to force embedding. That often fixes font substitution. If the file is too large, reduce image resolution to about 150 to 200 dpi and re-export, or remove hidden revision history. One key troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache or try another browser if export fails.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.